So just a follow-up to my last video, there seem to have been a few questions as to how the boom telescoping is actuated using the two bits of string. So here goes with the upgrades I came up with.
Since I found out you can control both battery boxes simultaneously, I joined my controllers and made some labels with decal paper. Next I turned this boom lifter part over and modified how it connects to the boom itself. I made this grab claw for holding vegetables for our guinea pigs. This page in the instructions seems to be what is causing all the problems. So the first piece of string connects from the inside of the outer boom right through the centre. This is yellow kite twine. I put this modified piece in and it goes around this pulley, back down the centre of the inner boom and connects to the very inner boom right at the end. The second piece goes down the inner boom and then around the second boom, between the second boom and the outer, until it connects to the outer boom here at the end. Now, particularly using this yellow kite twine, the action is very smooth. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to support our channel.